Grocery store. The next afternoon, Hannah invites me to visit the grocery store with her. Her mother, she calls a foster, has asked her to buy some food for dinner. We take another bus to a place of many cars in neat rows. By the time we get there, the sun has already said goodnight. That's it, Hannah says, Safeway. There isn't enough food in the world to fill such a building, I say. I follow her inside, and she grabs a shiny cart. You don't pay for this fine cart? I ask. You just borrow it, she explains. The grocery store has rows and rows of color, of light, of easy hope. Hannah moves down the aisle, but I stand like a tree rooted firm, my eyes too full of this place, with its answers to prayers on every shelf. Hannah glances over her shoulder. You okay? She asks. I reach out and touch a piece of bright green food I've never seen before, and then I begin to cry. Hannah rushes to my side. It's okay, she says. We can leave if you want. She takes my hand, and we leave the empty cart and go outside. We sit on the icy bench and wait for the bus. A car whooshes past. Its lights cut the gloom, like the eyes of a great cat prowling for food in the moonlight. The story I tell Hannah on the way home. In our tent in the camp, a baby was dying. Flies teased her eyes, and her arms hung like broken sticks. Her mother was not much older than I am. All day long, she whispered to the baby, drink, drink, drink. All day, all night. We couldn't sleep for the sound of it, but the baby had been hungry for too long, and the bottle went untouched. And after a while, the mother stopped rocking and went silent. When the baby died, she covered her child with a feed sack. She said to no one. I told her to eat. Why wouldn't she eat? When I'm done with the story, I stare out the window at the sunless world. Hannah stares with me. This time, she's the one who cannot find any words.